The National Weather Service has declared a thunderstorm warning for River City County area. This thunderstorm is estimated by specialists to be a storm of level 4 on 5. However, this storm has violent wind and with severe risk of rain and lightnings. Please stay indoor and limit your displacement during the storm.
Oh my God.
What's wrong?
It's more dangerous I was expected. I guess we should need to prevent the population.
For what? Why we need to prevent everyone? Let me see the radar. You're probably right. We need to prevent now.
The National Weather Service has declared a tornado warning for River City County area. Suddenly, the thunderstorm provoked a perfect climate for tornado. However, the scientists estimating probably AEF4 tornado for the area. Please hood in a shelter or in your basement and graphique something hard to stay in place without go with the wind during the tornado.